Welcome to the channel. This is Crypto where we are covering all the airdrops in the Cosmos ecosystem, and today we are taking a look at the STRD token airdrop. This is for Atom, JUNO and OSMO stakers. We will be taking a look what was the requirements to receive this airdrop, when can we claim it, and what are the actions we need to take, such as multi-chain liquid staking. There is a possibility if we do liquid staking we receive an extra bonus airdrop. We will also be taking a look how to receive the STRD token and the ST Atom token. Also, if we come to the Twitter, we will see right here important details about liquidity and marketing making. So we will be covering everything you need to know about the STRD token airdrop. So make sure to pay closely attention to this video. Let's get into it right away. So first of all, we will give you some information about the STRD blockchain. This provides liquidity for staked assets. So you use STRDs and users can earn both staking and DeFi yields across the Cosmos IBC ecosystem. STRD is built on Cosmos using the SDK technology and Tendermint, created with Ignite. STRD allows users to liquid stake any IBC compatible Cosmos SDK native AppChain token. So to say it very clear, you can stake almost any token and it will always be from the STRD blockchain. But I will show you that in a minute. So make sure to pay attention to this video because I will show you step by step how you do this. The STRD is airdropping a total of 6.3 million STRD to Atom, JUNO and OSMO stakers. So if you were staking one of those before August 14 and you had at least 10 Atom staking, 85 OSMO or 16 JUNO, then you will receive an airdrop for one of those or all three of them if you have all the requirements that are asked. So the airdrop will be claimable at a to be announced date at the end of September. It will be around 26 September. So put this date in your agenda or make sure to subscribe to the channel because I will be dropping a video on the day it goes live, and when I am claiming it, I will also make a video about that. Let me know in the comments if you're excited for that. One thing you have to keep in mind, users who have staked with exchange validators are not eligible for the airdrop. So do not do this. If you're staking with a validator from Binance, Atomic Wallet, there's so many validators out there, you will not receive an airdrop because it's a bit centralized and they keep it for themselves. So keep that in mind. Eligible users will have to perform several tasks on the STRD platform to claim the total airdrop amount. We are used to that. With Avmos, it was the same. We had 4 steps to do. It will be something like that here also. Unclaimed STRD tokens will be clawed back 1 month after the launch of STRD. It will then be proportional redistributed across the original set of airdrop recipients. This process will be repeated monthly until all airdrop STRD is claimed. This is really nice. So if people do not claim like we have with Avmos, 75% is not claiming, they will airdrop it to the original people who are eligible. So maybe you will receive a bigger airdrop. You can see right here what I'm talking about. There will be additional airdrops to each new chain STRD on board with similar eligibility requirements as the Genesis airdrop. So keep this in mind. There will be more airdrops in the future around this blockchain. So for more information regarding this airdrop, see this article. I will be dropping this article in the description of my video. You can check it out there. And now, first of all, let's take a look right here what they are talking about the STRD pool. So on Osmosis, they just went live. This is on September 9. This was yesterday. They just went live and you can now buy and sell STRD token for the first time ever. As you can see, if we go to Osmosis, one STRD token is around $1.80. So I'm excited to know how much STRD tokens we will get as an airdrop. Let me know in the comments if you're excited for this airdrop, yes or no, and what do you think the price will be. Let me know in the comments. So as you can see right here, they have incentives for the pool of Statum and Stride. Now, how to receive the Statum is very simple. We just go to the website of Stride. I will be sharing that in the description. We click on to start liquid staking. And once we come here, we just connect our wallet. All right. And once we have done that, you can liquid stake. Let's say we stake 0.05 atom, we will receive 0.05 statum. Then we just click liquid stake, we do the start staking, then we receive the statum, this one, and then you can go over here, or you can just click right here on Twitter, and then you just click onto the pool. I will be sharing everything in the description, so don't worry about that. And then you can just here add remove liquidity. I've shown this in other videos also. And you just give liquidity with the statum that you have get by doing liquid staking on the website. And you provide atom, and then you will get these rewards. And you can see right now current EPR is not seeable, but it will be good. And you see bonus bonding reward remaining 366,000. So this is an extra bonus for the people who are now providing liquidity. So that's how you do it. It's very simple, nothing hard about that. But something else that I'm going to be risking on this channel that I want to be sharing with everyone is we have the Stride token right now at $1.80. And I'm just gonna buy in. I know we need to receive the airdrop, but I'm going to buy this one just as a trade and see if the price is gonna pump because of the airdrop. There is a possibility that I will lose all my money, so do not do this with money that you want to lose, that you cannot lose. Let's say like that. So I'm going to be buying, come on, give me some. I'm going to buy, let's say 100. How much is that? 55. Let's just buy 100. If it goes lower, I can buy more. This is just an opportunity that I see that there's a possibility that price will pump when the tokens will be airdropped. And maybe people are also already buying, but we will see that right away. What happens in the future. For now, this is just a gamble that I do myself, and do not follow this blindly. So, but this is it for the Stride airdrop. Make sure to stay tuned. 26 September, it will be claimable. I will be dropping another video and show you also step by step on how to do the things. Stay tuned for the airdrop on 26 September. I will make a new video about this airdrop on how to claim it. I will show you everything step by step. Then on that date, once it is live to claim. Now, for now, you know how to receive the statum right here on the liquid. You just have to come to this website, provide the atom to stake, you will get statum. Then you go to the pool of osmosis, you add remove liquidity of atom and statum, and then you just click right here on start earning, which are available liquidity pool tokens, and you will earn yourself rewards. All right, that's it. That's very easy, very quick, and you need all the details that you need to know about the airdrop I have shared. So make sure to read in everything. Stay tuned, stay ready for 26 September, and I hope this is a big airdrop. Let me know in the comments, is this going to be a big airdrop? What do you think? What are your expectations? And I hope to see you into the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.